this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller not working with all the buttons and stuff. So the first thing we want to do is just simply try turning off the controller and turning it back on. So hold down the PlayStation button right here, and after about 5 to 10 seconds the controller will turn off. So I'll use this controller right here. And we can just hold this down and you'll notice it will shut off. Then you can just press the PlayStation button and it'll turn back on. So very easy. That's a quick way to kind of just reset it. And another thing you can do is on the back here, there is a small reset hole. So with the controller turned on, take like a SIM card removal tool or something like that, or opener for your phone, and then just plug it in right here and just tap it. And just hold it down for a couple seconds. And then let go. You can see the controller is going to turn off, and then we can just turn it back on. And then we can connect back up to it. Now another thing to do is look at all your different buttons. And if we turn off our controller, go to every single button and just press it in a few times. Just like this. And go up and down and just do it very thoroughly. Sometimes you might have a specific button pressed in. So I want to keep it turned off. And if you have a button pressed in, well, that could be the reason why it's not working. It's just pressed in too far. So just spam every button 5 to 10 times. And we can even try seeing if this will dislodge it. Just turn it over and just do it very lightly. Don't do it very heavily. Another thing that we can do is disconnect it from Bluetooth. So we want to go up to the top and go to settings. Going down to devices. Go to Bluetooth devices. So use a second controller, your TV remote, or the remote play application on your phone. Go to your controller you're having an issue with, select it. Then go to options and go to forget device. Then go to OK. Then go back to your controller. With the turned off, go to the share button and the PlayStation button, put in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Then we can reconnect it. Right here, go to yes. So now we are going to connect with this controller. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.